Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively using ChatGPT. This powerful tool can transform your learning experience, making it more efficient and personalized. We will explore 4 key areas where ChatGPT can significantly boost your academic performance. From understanding complex subjects to preparing for exams, you will discover practical strategies to leverage artificial intelligence for better study habits. Get ready to unlock your full learning potential with these simple, yet effective techniques. One of the greatest advantages of using ChatGPT is its ability to personalize your learning journey. You can ask it to break down any topic, from basic principles to advanced theories, ensuring you grasp every detail. Imagine having a tutor available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to provide tailored explanations and countless practice opportunities. This personalized approach helps solidify your understanding and builds confidence in your subject matter. Beyond basic explanations, ChatGPT offers advanced strategies to deepen your learning. It can act as a brainstorming partner, helping you develop robust arguments for essays or research projects. You can also submit your written work for constructive feedback, improving clarity and conciseness. For language learners, it provides an immersive environment to practice speaking and writing, offering corrections and new vocabulary. These tools elevate your study methods to a new level. To truly maximize your study efficiency with ChatGPT, remember to use it as a powerful assistant, not a substitute for critical thinking. Always cross-reference information with trusted sources to ensure accuracy. Integrate its capabilities with your existing study routines, like reading textbooks and attending lectures. By maintaining an ethical approach and actively engaging with the material, you will harness the full potential of this technology to achieve outstanding academic success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.